Hi friends, today we are going to discuss become first year, first semester financial accounting subject, unit number 1, journal entries. So the problem is abstracted from the Pankaj publications RP3 with others book. Problem number 5, journalize the following transactions. November 1st 2024, Manohar commenced business with rupees 1,50,000. November 1st, purchased machinery rupees 40,000. November 2nd, purchased furniture from Godrej and Company, rupees 15,000. November 6th, purchased goods, rupees 12,000. November 8th, goods purchased from Krishna Mohan, rupees 8,000. November 9th, sold goods for cash, rupees 21,000. November 12th, purchased stationery, rupees 150. November 18th, cash deposited in bank, rupees 18,000. November 21st, issued checks to Godrej and Company rupees 14,950 in full settlement. November 23rd, goods withdrawn for personal use rupees 2,500. November 25th, cash withdrawn from bank rupees 6,000. November 30, paid salaries rupees 3,200. Okay, this is the problem. Before going to start the answer, I am requesting you kindly subscribe my channel, press on bell button, give some likes. It will be makes me a lot of encouragement to do further videos. Okay, friends, come to the topic. Now, write the title of the problem, journal entries in the books of 1 hour. Then draw a account which consists of 5 columns. First column date column, second column particulars column, third column ledger folio column, fourth column debit amount column, fifth column credit account. So already I solved the problem and I will explain this one by one. Okay. First entry, Manohar commenced business with rupees 1,50,000 on November 1st, 2024. Okay. So write the date 2024 November 1 in date column. Then identify the accounts involved in this account. Here we are having the cash account and capital account. So cash account is the real account and capital account is the personal account. So what we receiving? We are receiving the cash. Cash is the asset. What comes in? So in the real account, the rule of entry is what comes in debit, what goes out credit. That's why here the cash is coming. What comes in? Cash is coming. That's why we are debiting it. And personal account. The rule is receiver debit, giver credit. So capital is giving. That's why we are crediting it. So entry is cash account debtor 1,50,000 to capital account 1,50,000. Narration is being commenced business with cash. Okay. Next, come to the second point. Purchase machinery rupees 40,000 on November 1st, 2024. So write the date 2024 November 1st in the date column. Then identify the accounts. Here machinery account and cash account both are there. So machinery account is the real account being it's an asset. So what comes in? So the machinery is asset, it is coming. That's why we are debiting it. Cash is the asset, it's also asset, it is a real account. And what goes out? We are crediting it. Okay. So now enter the transaction. Machinery account data 40,000 to cash account 40,000. Narration is being purchased machinery for cash. Okay friends. Now come to the third entry. On November 2nd, 2024, purchased furniture from Godrej and Company rupees 15,000. So write the date column November 2nd, 2024. Okay. Next, accounts are furniture account and Godrej account. So furniture account is the real account and Godrej account is the personal account. So we should debit the furniture account being it is coming, the asset is coming. Okay. And we should credit the Godrej and Company being the company is the giver to the business. Okay. So entry is furniture account data 5,000, sorry 15,000 to Godrej and Company 15,000. Okay. Narration is being purchased furniture from Godrej and Company. Okay, on credit. Next, on November 6th, purchased goods rupees 12,000. Okay, write the date in the date column 2024 November 6. Then purchase account, cash account. Two accounts are there. Purchase account is a nominal account and it is an expense to the business, and cash account is the real account. We are paying what goes out. So purchase account data 12,000 to cash account 12,000 being goods purchased for cash entry. Okay. Next transaction is on November 8th, goods purchased from Krishna Mohan rupees 8,000. So write the date in the date column 2024 November 8. Next come to the particulars column. In the particulars column we are having the purchase account and Krishna Mohan account. Purchase account is a nominal account and Krishna Mohan account is a personal account. So purchase are the expenses to the business. That's why we have to debit it. Krishna Mohan is the giver to the business. That's why we are crediting it. Okay. Purchase account data are 8,000 to Krishna Mohan account 8,000. Narration is being purchased goods from Krishna Mohan on credit. Okay. Next entries on 2024 November sold goods for cash rupees 21,000. Okay. So write the date in the date column 2024 November 9th. Okay, come to the particular column. Here we are in the two accounts. One is cash account, second one is sales account. So cash we are receiving what comes in. So it is a real account. And sales, it is the income to the business. So it is the nominal account. Right? So now write the entry. Cash account data 21,000 to sales account 21,000. Being goods sold for cash. Okay. Next entry is November 12th to purchase stationery rupees 150. Okay, write the date column. In the date column 2024 November 12th, write it. Then come to the particular column. We are having the two accounts. One is stationery account, second one is cash account. Stationery account is a real account. What comes in? And cash account is a real account. It's also a real account. What goes out? Okay. So stationery account data 150 to cash account 150 being purchased stationery for cash. Okay. Next November 18th. Okay. On November 18th, cash deposit into bank. Okay. Rupees 18,000. So write the first date in the date column 2024 November 18. Okay. Then in the particulars column, we are having the two accounts, bank account and cash account. Bank account is a real personal account and cash account is a real account. Okay. Bank account data 18,000 to cash account 18,000 being cash deposit to bank. Okay. Come to the next transaction. Issue check to Godrej company rupees 14,000 and put in full settlement. Okay. So here first write the date column. In the date column 2024 November 21, and here we are having the three accounts. One is Godrej account, second one is discount account, and third one is cash account. Okay. So discount is the subgroup of the main account, cash account. Okay. Godrej account data 15,000 to discount account 50 rupees to cash account 14,950. Being cash paid to Godrej and Company rupees 14,950 in full settlement. Okay. So here in this case, Godrej accounting is a personal account. We have to debit it because the Godrej company is receiving amount. Okay. Discount account is a nominal account. It is income source to the company. That's why we have to credit it. Cash account is a real account. The asset is going. That's why what goes out, we are crediting. Okay. Right. Next, 2024 November 23rd, goods returned from for personal use rupees 2,500. Okay. So here we are having the two accounts. One is drawing account. Second one is purchase account. First, write the date in the date column 2024 November 23rd. Okay. Then we are having the two accounts. One is drawing account. Second one is purchase account. Drawing account is the personal account and it is the receiver. That's why we are debiting it. And purchase account is the nominal account. It is the expenses to the company. That's why we are crediting it. Okay. Now write the entry drawing account data 2,500 to purchase account 2,500. Narration is being goods withdrawn from for personal use. Okay. Next on 25th, cash withdrawn for office use. Okay. Rupees 6,000. So first write to date column 2000 November 2024 November 25th. Okay. Then identify the accounts cash account and bank account. Cash account is a real account, bank account is a personal account. So what comes in? That's why we are debiting it, cash account. So we should debit the cash account and bank account, personal account is the gear. That's why we are crediting it. The entry is cash account data 6,000 to bank account 6,000. Narration being cash withdrawn from bank for office use. Okay. Last but not least, paid salaries rupees 3,200 on November 30. Okay. Write the date in the date column 2024 November 30. Then identify the account, salaries account, cash account. Salary account is a nominal account and cash account is a real account. So, salaries are the expenses to the business. That's why we are debiting it. And cash is the asset which is going out. That's why we are crediting it. Okay. So now write the entry salaries account data 3,200 to cash account 3,200. Narration is being salaries paid. Okay. So with this, I am concluding the problem. Okay. Thank you.